Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Okay, good evening everybody, and once again, welcome to a business presentation of Live Good. Tonight po, makaka-experience kayo ng something different. I'm telling you, this is going to be, kung naka-attend na kayo ng ibang mga presentations before or familiar kayo sa ibang businesses before, I'm telling you that tonight, you're going to have a different experience. So, be ready to experience the difference. All right. So before anything else, because now, ito yung present ko sa inyo, Live Good. That's our company. Before anything else, I would like to present myself to you. Introduce ko muna po, especially those na mga hindi pa ako kilala. Ayan. Yung mga first time dito, ngayon lang ako nakita. Sino ba tong taong nagsasalita sa harap ko? So let me give a short introduction of myself. I'm Mon Reyes. I'm a registered nurse and a real estate broker by profession. All right? And I'm also a servant leader serving at the Feast, or yung Light of Jesus, whereby yung weekly gathering namin is called the Feast. So shout out sa mga feasters dyan. Hello po. Before Live Good po, napagdaanan ko na halos lahat. I was an employee for 5 years. Nag-OFW rin ako for 4 years. And I've been an entrepreneur for 24 years, 12 of which as real estate broker. Maganda naman po yung mga pinagagawa kong yan. In fact po, nakapagpatapos ako ng 3 anak, lahat ng anak ko tapos na sa kolehiyo, doing just that. However, hindi po natupad yung mga pangarap ko. Malalaki yung pangarap ko for myself, for my family, and for the people around me. And that's the reason why I look for another option, another opportunity whereby finally it would give me the freedom para matupad naman yung mga pangarap ko. And that's when I found Live Good. Fast forward po, multiple times na tayo na-promote dito at na-invite tayo to be part of the Speakers Bureau. I'm one of the coaches, trainers here in Live Good. At tuloy-tuloy ko na pong ginagawa itong Live Good. Alright? So that's about me. Pero hindi po, itong presentation na to ay hindi tungkol sa akin, but tungkol po sa inyo. Kasi possible na isa kayo dito sa mga to. You can be a single parent. Can be a single parent, tapos may problema kayo sa finances, ang worry nyo ngayon, paano nyo pag-aaralin yung anak nyo. Or you can be an OFW. Naranasan ko po maging OFW at ang pinakit dyan yung pangungulila sa family. Yes, maganda ang kita, pero nakakalungkot. Kasi every year talaga, isang buwan ka lang nagpapahinga kasama yung pamilya mo. The rest of the year, you're away from them. So talagang nakakapangulo. Alright? Or pwede namang sticking ka with your career, or you've been an employee for quite some time and you're realizing already that you are overworked and underpaid. Diba? Gusto mo magkaroon ng significance eh. Sabihin mo sa sarili mo, sweldo nga, hindi magkasya, significance pa. Or maybe you could be at the prime of your age, retiring ka na or retired ka na talaga. Diba? Alam mo naman na pag nag-retire ka, ang titigil lang yung sweldo mo. Yung bills at gastusin, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yan. Ang problema mo ngayon, kanino ka aasa? Aasa ka sa family mo? Remember, magkakaroon din sila ng mga pamilyang susuportahan nila. Asa ka sa gobyerno? Well, sorry to say, hindi po enough yung pension na binibigay ng government. Huwag naman sana, pero baka umasa ka sa awa or charity. Alright? So this may be some of your struggles, or some of you may be experiencing different struggles. Baka naman sa health yung struggles mo. I'm telling you, Live Good is for you. Bakit? Because sa Live Good po, ang matutupad yung mga malalaking pangarap nyo. Not only for yourself, for your family, for the people around you, for the community. Okay? Lahat po yan, no matter how big it is, I'm telling you, if you do Live Good, talagang kayang-kaya pong patuparin yung mga pangarap nyo. And don't worry, you may be praying for some changes. It's already here. Okay, Live Good is here. So welcome to Live Good. Live Good is the membership that pays. And Live Good has completely changed the industry. Kaya nga kinoconsider tayong the great disruption. And that is something good. Kasi nga po, ang disruption pagdating sa business side, yan yung mga hindi ginagawa yung normal na ginagawa ng ibang mga businesses only to serve more people. Kaya yun yung kagandahan ng Live Good. Binago natin lahat so that we would be able to help more people. Alright? So ano ba si Live Good? Just to give you an idea, Live Good is the membership club that offers great value to its member with referral program. That makes you earn from your subscription. So yes, we are a membership club and yes, we are a subscription company. Alright? Ang kagandahan nito, meron po tayong referral program na tinatawag or yung ating affiliate program. I will discuss all of that para mas malinaw para sa inyo in the coming slides. Okay? But before that, let me tell you more about the membership club kasi this may be something new for you. Membership club, siguro the best way to do that is to show you ano ba yung mga available na membership club dyan. Yung mga sikat. Andiyan po si Costco, si Netflix, si Amazon, Spotify. These are just some of the membership club out there. Pero just to show you, si Costco po, nagbabayad yung mga members niya sa kanya. And ang value naman ng binibigay niya sa mga members, sa mga paying members niya, is savings. Kasi yung mga members niya would have access to their physical store whereby doon makukuha nila yung mga products na bibili nila at wholesale prices. So makakatipid talaga sila. Si Netflix naman po, if you're into watching movies or shows, ito po yung gugustuhin yung maging member kayo. Kasi you would be paying to be able to have access to unlimited watching of movies and different shows. Okay, kaya nga nauso yung binge watching dahil dito kay Netflix eh. Okay, At nagbibigay din siya ng savings. Kasi dati, para manood sa isang sinihan, ngayon pala, when you go out and watch a movie now, ang mahal po. Pero if you're in the comfort of your home having Netflix, kayang-kaya nyo pong panoorin lahat ng movies na malalabas dyan. Alright? Si Amazon naman po, it's an online store. It's an online store. Ang value naman na binibigay niya sa mga members niya ay yung kanyang service, extra service, one-day shipping, free deliveries, yan naman po yung values na binibigay niya dun sa paying members niya. Spotify, if you're more into music or podcast, Spotify po maganda yan. Ang value naman yan, if you're a member, wala pong ads na talagang sisingit-singit while you are listening. Alright? So, the reason I showed you this, kasi gusto kong pakita sa inyo kung gaano kalalaki ang mga companies na yan. Si Costco po, merong 120 million paying members po yan just to be able to get the value of savings. Si Netflix, 230 million paying members. Bakit? Para makapanood ng movies ng mura at para maka-unlimited access dun sa mga shows nila. Si Amazon, ang ino-offer lang niya, free delivery, one-day delivery, and other perks. 200 million paying members po yan. Si Spotify, 210 million paying members. Ganyan po kalaki ang membership club. And I'm telling you, Live Good is a membership club, but Live Good is a different kind. Alright? So before anything else, I would like to compare Live Good dito po sa dalawang club na to, si Costco tsaka si Amazon. Kasi medyo may similarity po tayo dyan. Although Costco is a physical store, what it is offering to its member is discount or savings. Diba? And like Live Good, ang ino-offer din natin sa ating members is savings. Si Costco, charging their members $10 a month or $120 per year to become an executive member. Then, they get to save on groceries, household items, and gas, among other things. And check this out. Sa membership fee pa lang po, kumita si Costco ng $1.2 billion in 2023. Ganyan po kalaki ang kitaan ng mga membership club. At ganyan ang growth ng mga membership club. Si Amazon naman, it's an online shop whereby you can get anything that you need doon sa shop nila. Alright? Online. Convenience of your own home. Doon ka order, doon ka magbabayad, and then you'll just wait for your item to be delivered. Yan naman po yung offer natin sa Live Good. Pretty much the same. Online store, we're starting now like Amazon. Amazon started with books. Tayo naman, we're starting with health products. Kasi alam natin that the world is very sick right now and it needs cure. Kaya tayo yung mag-provide ng cure. Okay, ang maganda niyan, pinagsama natin yon, yung savings na binibigay ng Costco tsaka yung convenience na binibigay ni Amazon nasa Live Good po. And just like Amazon, in the years to come, we will have, hindi lang tayo magiging focus sa health products. We would have everything that a person would need available in our online shop. Alright? Amazon, $14.99 per month or $139 per year. Access to online store, same-day delivery, free shipping. Yan yung mga perks niya dun sa mga paying members nila, among others. Okay? Magkano kinita niya? $3.9 billion in membership fee pa lang po. Ganyan po kalaki ang kitaan. Ganyan po kalalaki ang mga membership companies. Kaya hindi po ako magugulat if time will come that all companies will be adopting this business model. Ang maganda po niyan, tayo sa Live Good, we are already doing it. Yung iba pinag-iisipan pa lang tayo, ginagawa na natin. Because Live Good is an online shop offering savings to its members, pero meron po tayong kakaibang ino-offer. Na hindi ino-offer nitong mga companies na to. Ano po yon? It's a membership club that pays. Meaning, as members, pwede po kayong kumita. We can actually earn from the pay plan. And since online po tayo, if we do the Live Good business, we would have a business, a global business. We can actually operate in over 200 countries worldwide. Okay? And for how much? For only $9.95 per month, or kung gusto mong makatipid, you pay for 1 year or 12 months. $99.95 lang po yun. Meaning nakatipid kayo ng 2 buwan. You get to save on the highest quality health and beauty products for now. Pero sabi ko nga, padagdag lang ng padagdag yun, up to 85% compared to other brands. Ganyan po kalaki yung savings na matatanggap nyo sa Live Good. Soon, more products will be added like household, weight management, and more. Ito maganda. Since we are a membership club that pays, hindi ko na po papakita kung gaano kalaki yung kinita natin. But rather, I want to show you kung gaano kalaki yung pinamigay natin sa ating mga affiliates. We paid over $54 million to affiliate members just last year. 1 year of operation, first year of operation, ganyan na po kalaki yung pinamigay ni Live Good. And we were only 1 million paying members then. Isipin nyo, kung 10 million members na yan. So that means over 540 million na po yung ibibigay ni Live Good sa kanyang affiliates. Ganyan po kaganda si Live Good. Wow, grabe. Anyway, just to show you kung paano natin binago yung industriya. Dito po sa Live Good, hindi na po, pinadali na po, pinagaan na po yung pagninegosyo dito. Dito don't need to have a monthly auto ship. Ano po yan? Yan yung monthly na pagbili natin ng products just to be able to get compensation. And other companies are doing this. Ito po kasi yung nakasanayan ng mga companies. Kasi product-centered sila eh. Sa products nila kinukuha yung pang-commission nila dun sa mga affiliate members nila. Yung pangbayad nila sa mga offices nila, sa country managers nila, tsaka sa mga staff nila. Since product-centered sila, talagang kailangan ma-move yung products, di ba? Eh, sino yung bibili ng mga products nila? Yung mga distributors nila and yung mga members nila. Pero since tayo, membership club, tinanggal na po yan. So dito, wala pong pwersahan ng pagbili ng products. You order what you want, when you want, if you want. And when you order, you pay almost manufacturing price. Right? No chasing of plants and volume every month. Ito po, totoo po ito. Kasi sa ibang company, for you to be able to be promoted to the next round, kailangan yung organization nyo maraming nabenta. We're talking of volumes. 100,000, 500,000 worth bago ka ma-promote. Dito po, hindi yan ang tinitignan. Hindi po product movement. In fact, wala po. We are not obliged to buy products here. Pero I'm telling you, sa ganda ng products natin, I highly recommend that you buy them and use them yourself. No starting from zero every month. Ito yung kinakatakutan ng ibang distributor. Kasi alam nila na pag nagpalit ng buwan, yung lahat ng tinrabaho nila back to zero. Dito po, when you become an affiliate, ang requirement lang para kumita is you are an affiliate and you are paying your subscription. Ganun lang po. Simple lang po. And of course, you're doing the business. And whatever effort you put in, pag nag-materialize yan, may compensation ka. Alright? And kung ano yung tinrabaho mo this month, maki-carry over nyo po the following month. Kaya dito po talagang pati yung pag-promote, yung ranking up na tinatawag natin to the next level, medyo pinadali na rin po ni Live Good. So no paying of thousands to get started. Sa ibang company po, sa ibang presentation, hinuhuli to. Kasi kailangan i-hype muna kayo, i-excite muna kayo. Talagang pag gustong-gusto nyo na sumali, tsaka sasabihin sa inyo. Kung para mag-join ka, kailangan mo bumili ng package worth 18,000, 60,000, 100,000. Alam mo yun, yung time na talagang binubuo mo na yung pangarap mo sa isip mo, biglang natunaw na narinig mo kung magkano para mag-join. Dito sasabihin ko na sa inyo, to join Live Good as an affiliate member, ang kailangan nyo lang po $49.95. Magkano po yun in peso? Wala pa po 3,000. Okay, saan ka dadalhin ngayon ng 3,000 mo? Lumabas ka for dinner with your family, kulang pa yung 3,000 mo. Mag-grocery ka, 3,000 lang dala mo, baka 2 paper bag lang na iuwi mo. Okay? Pero dito po sa Live Good, pag dito nyo nilagay yung 3,000 nyo and you really do the business, ang laki po ng nagiging pagbabago sa buhay nyo, sa buhay ng family nyo, at the people around you. Alright? And here, no more people quitting. Statistics lang po, sa ibang companies, pinakamatagal na is 3 months. Tapos ang dami nag-quit. Quit ka ng quit. Quit ng quit. Now, if you keep on looking for people to become your member, para ka may trabaho niyan, recruiter ang tawag sa'yo dyan. Dito po, iilan na lang. I mean, I'm not saying na talagang completely zero yung nag-quit. Pero yung mga nag-quit po, yun lang po yung mga na-hype, hindi naintindihan yung negosyo, sumali lang or pinagbigyan lang yung nag-invite sa kanya. Pero once you know about the business, once you really do the business, ikaw mismo hindi mag-quit. In fact, ikaw mismo ang magyayaya ng tao para sumali dito sa LiveGod. Alright? So nakita nyo, talagang binago ni LiveGod yung industriya natin. And for that reason, let me show you kung sino yung mga tao na responsible for this disruption. Meet the disruptors, our corporate team. To start with, let me introduce to you our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He has over 20 years of experience. Nagsimula po yan just like you and me, distributor lang. Tapos he went up the rank, really did the business, super sipag, hanggang sa umabot po siya to owning his own companies rather. Kasi marami po yung binuksan na companies, all of them became successful. Alright? However, nakita niya nga na yung industriya na talagang iilan lang kasi yung talagang kumikita, and he didn't like it. That's why he retired. But because of his friend Dr. Kazan, our director of field development naman, iningganyo siya, no, we have to fix this broken industry. And then he went out of retirement just to be able to come up with LiveGod. Dr. Kazan naman, over 30 years of experience. Imagine, 1998 pa lang po, nagte-train na yan ng mga trainers. Okay, trainers coaches yung mga tinitrain niya. Iba sa atin, hindi pa pinapanganak noon, pero siya trainer na. Ganyan po ka-vast yung experience nila pagdating dito sa ating industriya. Lisa and Dr. Ryan Goodken naman, they're more on science. Sila yung ating mga in charge sa ating mga product. Lisa is more on the product education. Dr. Ryan Goodken naman is the product formulator. And ang passion nilang dalawa is to make people healthy. Kaya talagang benefit para sa atin to kasi yung mga taong nakapaligid or composed of the corporate team is after our health, after our success. Okay, sabi nga nila, they're all leaders in their own industries or in their different fields na nagsama-sama na nasa LiveGod ngayon. At sabi nga nila, true leadership creates success. Kaninong success? Success mo. Success ko. Success nating lahat. Alright? That's why we are the fastest growing company on the planet today. LiveGod was launched in December of 2022. Yes, batang-bata pa po tayo. Around 1.5 years pa lang po in operation, yet ang laki ng growth natin. We're located in Jupiter, Florida. And sabi ko nga, ang laki ng growth natin. Imagine, in 13 months, we reach over 1 million paying members. And as I speak right now, umabot na po tayo ng 1.3 million paying members and continuously growing. Kaya nga po, that's the reason why we rock the industry. Lahat po ng ibang companies, kilala na si LiveGod at lahat sila namamangha sa ginagawa ni LiveGod. We've broken so many records. Wala pong ibang company na nakagawa ng 1 million members in 13 months. Tayo lang po. Right? Now, ano ba ang mabibili natin sa online store ni LiveGod? Sabi ko kasi, di ba, we would be it's a membership club with an online store whereby dun ka magkakaroon ng savings. Right now, we have health products. Bakit health products? Kasi nakita po nga natin na yung mundo, the world is as sick as ever. Talagang ngayon po naramdaman natin na kailangan talaga natin lahat ng tao maging healthy. And that's the reason why we started with health products. Highest quality products, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine location on the planet. Ingredients pa lang po, we make sure that we are using high quality ingredients and world-class manufacturing facilities. Kaya pagdating po sa quality ng ating mga produkto, hindi nyo na po questionin yan. Lahat ng products natin made in USA, and we are certified by GMP and USDA. Just to give you an idea, itong dalawang companies na po to, very, very strict sa pagbigay ng kanilang certification, but they certified us. Alright? Lab tested for purity and potency. Hindi na po natin kailangan gawin to for compliance, but we are doing this. Why? Para makita ng ating mga consumers, ng ating mga members that we are offering nothing but the best. Okay? Para makita nyo kung ano yung pumapasok sa katawan nyo, and you would understand that we are offering you the highest quality products there is. And because of the quality of our products, talagang confident tayo to give a 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. Wala pong ibang company nagbibigay niyan. Ubusin mo yung bottle, ubusin mo yung binili mo, ubusin mo lahat, simutin mo. Pag hindi mo nagustuhan, isoli mo, babalik sa iyo yung pera mo. No question asked. But I'm telling you, even if we're offering this guarantee, wala pong nagsusoli ng produkto kay Live Good because of quality. Ganyan po kaganda yung quality natin. Baka sabihin nyo, sa taas ng quality, baka naman mahal. Okay, we're used to that notion na pag maganda yung quality, mahal. Pag mura, pang yung quality. But, since we're not anymore product-centered, binaliktad na po natin yan. Because napakataas ng quality natin pero napakababa natin compared to other brands pagdating sa pricing. And sa confidence natin na tayo yung most affordable in the market, we can actually compare our products with other brands. Ganyan po kalakas yung loob natin. So here are some price comparison of some of our products. Multivitamins po. Ito, kailangan natin to. We know very well na because of our lifestyles, medyo sedentary na, hindi na tayo masyadong gumagalaw. Plus the food we eat, talagang depleted yung ating nutrition. And what our multivitamins is offering is complete nutrition for our body. Tataas yung ating immune system, gaganda yung ating strength. Lahat, buong katawan po natin mag-i-improve yung ating health. Which is good. Kasi po yung katawan natin, siya po talaga yung fighter ng mga diseases. At pag maganda yung nutrition natin, we can actually combat many diseases. Kung kayo medyo sakitin ngayon, parating ng hihina, parating na problema sa kalusugan, you really need this vitamins. Compared to other brands, $47.45, $29. And I'm not talking about just any other brands. Ito po yung mga best-selling sa market. Yung multivitamins natin, better quality, only $9.95. Ganyan po kababa ang ating presyo, pero mas mataas ang ating quality. Yung D3K2 naman po, if you've noticed, dun sa nakaraang 3 taon na nagkaroon tayo ng crisis sa health, ang recommendation po ng doktor sa mga pasyente nila magpa-araw. Kasi kulang na po tayo sa vitamin D. And our vitamin D3 is the highest or the most bioavailable vitamin D in the market. Napakataas po ng quality ng vitamin D natin. Despite the fact na kailangan natin lahat ng vitamin D, eto na po. Binibigay na po natin sa inyo yung pinakamataas na quality ng vitamin D. At ang maganda po niyan, may kasama siyang K2. Si K2 naman po, tinatanggal yung calcium sa bloodstreams natin na nakaka-cause ng bara at nilalagay sa bones. So pinapalakas yung buto natin, pinapalakas yung immune system natin, pero pinapaganda yung ating blood flow. Di ba maganda? So kung medyo may problema kayo sa puso or talagang sakitin kayo, bagsak yung immune system nyo, kailangan itong vitamin D3K2. Alright? Other brands, $34.45, $21.40 sa atin, $8.50. Okay? Magnesium, very important. Again, over 300 chemical reactions happening in our body is caused by magnesium. Kaya kailangan po talaga natin ng magnesium. If something is wrong with your body, then most likely you lack magnesium. Ang masama po nito, halos lahat ng tao kulang na sa magnesium. Kaya ang daming nagkakasakit. Kung nai-insomnia kayo, hindi kayo matulogin sa gabi, ayan, kailangan nyo po itong magnesium na to. Even if kung kulang kayo sa strength, kailangan nyo po yung magnesium na yan. If there is something wrong na hindi nyo maintindihan kung ano or hindi nyo mapaliwanag kung paano, kailangan nyo po ng magnesium na yan. This magnesium is very essential for our health. Other brands, $35, $30 sa atin, $8.95. Nakita nyo yung difference pagdating sa pricing. Kaya yung offer natin sa ating mga members, savings talaga. Okay? Tapos lahat ng capsules na to come in for 60 capsules. Lahat ng bottles po come in 60 capsules. Kaya talagang yung ingredients pa natin hindi tinipid. Kung ano yung kailangan ng katawan natin, yun yung nilalagay natin sa mga products natin. Alright? And then here, another good product, Factor 4. Factor 4, the best anti-inflammatory product in the market right now. Kasi yung 4 na anti-inflammatory ingredient na kayang mag-stand alone, pinagsama-sama po natin dito sa Factor 4 na to. Meron tayong garlic, turmeric, CoQ10, and fish oil. Napakaganda po niyan. I mean, each of these product can really stand alone pero tayo pinagsama-sama natin. And we're not talking about sprinkles. Kung ano yung kailangan ng katawan natin, andyan po. Maganda rin po to sa puso kasi may CoQ10. Okay? Ang ano po nito ay yung pamamaga kasi, yung inflammation, if it becomes chronic, it may even lead to fatal diseases like cancer. Okay? Lahat naman po ng mga diseases na nagsisimula yan sa inflammation. So bago pa po magkaroon ng inflammation, gamitin na po natin to. Or kung meron na kayong chronic inflammation, the more you need Factor 4. Alright? Yung mga nananakit yung tuhod dyan. Diba? Yung mga may chronic knee pain, chronic frozen shoulders. Yan, yung mga yan. Puro inflammation po yan. Alright? Kung natatakot kayo, or if sabi kasi nila yung cancer is hereditary. So if there is a history in your family na nagkaroon ng cancer, take Factor 4 para ma-prevent nyo po na mangyari sa inyo. Alright. Other brands, $58.42, $56. Sa atin, $18.50. And again, 60 capsules in one bottle. Alright? Super Reds, again, another napakagandang product po kasi meron tayong nitric oxide. And yung nitric oxide po natin, ang ginagawa po niyan, pinapagaan yung ating mga ugat. Kaya pinapaganda yung ating blood flow. Alright? So kung meron kayong high blood or may sakit kayo sa puso, napakagandang produkto po nito para sa inyo. In fact, everybody needs this. Kasi pag maganda yung blood circulation natin, nadi-deliver po lahat ng nutrients and oxygen sa lahat ng parte ng katawan natin. Okay? Kung medyo nag-ulian na kayo or medyo makakalimutin kayo, kailangan nyo po ito. Kung medyo parati kayong may mga sakit sa katawan nyo, hindi nyo maintindihan, kailangan nyo po ito. Kung merong mga parts in your body that are not functioning well already, kailangan nyo po ito. Sakit sa kidney, sa lungs, sa liver, kailangan nyo po ito. Lalong-lalo na sa heart and hypertension, kailangan nyo po ng Super Reds. Other brands, $39.95, $69.99. And mind you, itong other brands na to, they are non-organic. Meaning may mga kasamang pesticides yan, chemicals, and whatnot. Sa atin po, pure organic ingredients pinagsama-sama sa Super Reds, $18 lang po. Napakataas ng quality, napakababa na presyo. Super Greens, again, for our nutrition, sabi ko nga, yung katawan natin yung pinakamagpapagaling sa atin or magko-combat ng mga diseases, kaya kailangan talaga natin na in-nourish yan. And we all believe na kailangan talaga natin ng good nutrition. Alright? Ang masama nito, hindi na natin makukuha yung tamang nutrition sa mga kinakain natin. And minsan, mas madalas tayo kumain sa fast food, which is not good. Walang nutrition na binibigay yan. So, to supplement you with the right nutrition, kailangan nyo po ng Super Greens. Other brands, $99.95, non-organic. Who needs that? $69.99. Sa atin, $18 lang po ang ating Super Green. Napakagandang quality para sa inyo. To boost your immune system, kung sakitin kayo, kailangan nyo yan. Okay? Kung medyo parating nagloloko yung tiyan nyo, gut health, kailangan nyo po yan. Parating masakit yung ulo nyo, unexplainable migraine, kailangan nyo po ng Super Greens. Kasi bagsak na po ang nutrition. Alright? Those are our products. At ang maganda nito, itong 6 na products na to, pinagsama-sama sa isang package called the International Wellness Pack. And our International Wellness Pack, lahat ng kailangan natin sa katawan natin, andyan po. Members price $89.95. Retail price $129.95. And remember yung Skinny Greens kanina, $99.95. Isang product lang yon. Ito, 6. $89.95. So what we're really offering our member is the value of savings. Ganyan po kaganda. You become a member because you want to be able to save and you want to become healthy. Alright? These are just some of the products, but if you want to learn more about the products, just go to livegood.com. Doon po makikita niyo yung different products at may learn more button whereby pwede kayo manood ng video or read articles para malaman nyo kung ano talaga at gaano kaganda yung ating mga produkto. Alright? Kung napansin nyo, meron ditong tinatawag na retail price because our products are available also for consumers na ayaw naman mag-members. Mas mataas ng konti compared sa members price pero mas mababa pa rin compared to other brands. So makakatipid pa rin po sila. Kaya people still prefer to become, people still want to buy our products kahit hindi sila member. Pero I'm telling you, being a member has its great benefits. Kasi yung savings na matatanggap mo when you become a member, you can actually use that for other expenses in your, yung mga bills nyo. Right? Price comparison lang ng retail price at members price para makita nyo kung ano yung difference. Okay? Yung multivitamins natin, by the way, we have for men and for women. Ang retail price niya, $14.95. Ang members price, $9.95. You save $5. Eh kung mag-asawa kayo, you'll buy one for men, one for women, $10 na yung masasave mo. Magkano yung members subscription? $9.95. So yung savings mo, pwede mo nang gamitin pang bayad ng subscription mo. Right? So become a member, pay your subscription, become a member, enjoy the members price, plus you get more products at members price. Right? Like, you may get this coffee, our healthy organic weight management coffee with mushrooms. Napaka-healthy po niyan. At ang maganda niyan, sa mga naghahanap na i-manage yung weight nila, pababain, more specifically yung weight nila, maganda po itong products na to. Kasi retail price niya, $24.95. Pero if you're a member, $17.95. You save $7. Yung magnesium natin, napakagandang produkto. Retail price, $14.95. Members price, $8.95. Wow! Ang ganda. Kaya ang ganda talaga maging member because you get to enjoy more savings when you're a member. CBD oil, unfortunately, hindi siya available dito sa Philippines right now. Pero meron tayo for pets. Meron din tayo for human. Okay? Members price ng for pets natin, $19.95. Retail price $19.95, members price $14. Ang laki po ng savings, $5. Ang dami mo nang mapaggagamitan ng mga savings mo. Diba nga sabi, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. Kasi you can actually use those savings to pay for other bills. Or even use it pang part ng matriculation ng anak mo. Diba? D3K2, $13.95 ang retail, $8.50 lang ang members price. So yun yung value na matatanggap ng mga member. Kaya hindi po sayang or may benefit yung pagbabayad natin ng ating subscription. Yan po yung power ng ating subscription because we're paying subscription because we're continuously becoming member of LiveGood. Yan po yung benefit na matatanggap natin, yung value na natatanggap natin for our monthly subscription. Okay? Maganda pong alam natin yan. Now, when we started, we had over 15 life-changing products lang. Pero ang dami na rin po natin nadagdag in a short period of 1 year. Ito po, sample, 6 different products na dagdag natin in 2023. And they are products na talagang makakatulong din sa health nyo. At nadagdagan pa po tayo. Essential oil, $49.95 lang. Alam nyo ba yung isang bote niyan is around 89. Nung ibang brand, it's around $89. Pero tayo, 6 different essential oils, 6 bottles for $49.95. Talagang savings po ang binibigay natin, ang benefit na value na matatanggap ng ating mga members. Latest addition sa ating mga products are Lean Body Composition Improvement Formula. Napakaganda po niyan kasi po, it's not a weight loss, it's not just a weight loss product, but it's a body composition. Meaning, aayusin po yung metabolism nyo and magiging lean yung katawan nyo. And because of that, you would be losing weight. Alright? So, hindi po siya tulad ng ibang brands na yes, mawawala yung weight nyo, pero may rebound. Whereby pag tinigil nyo, bigla kayong lalaki uli or bibigat uli, mas mabigat pa dun sa kung kailan kayo nagsimula. Members price $19.95. And to complement that, meron din tayong bagong product, yung Whey Protein Isolate with Colostrum. Very healthy and at the same time, very good for our lean muscles. Okay, $29.95. Maganda po yan, i-combine yung dalawang products na yan. And there will be more products to come. Sabi ko nga, padagdag lang tayo ng padagdag. Parang si Amazon, nagsimula ng books. Ngayon, kahit ano, pwede mo nang makita sa Amazon. Kasi tayo, we aim to be a super sale online store whereby kung ano kailangan mo possible, nasa LiveGood. Pero ito yung ating ino-offer. Best quality, lower prices or lowest prices. Alright? And since online tayo, we are available in over 200 countries worldwide. Kahit saan po sa buong mundo. Huwag lang po may gera o komunista, pwede po tayong mag-deliver. Right? Ganyan po kaganda yan. Kaya tayo, yung ating 3,000 pesos, posibleng magkaroon tayo ng global business. Kasi yung ibang company, yes, they call themselves international, global. Yun nga lang, they're only available to 40 countries, 20 countries. Tayo, 200, more than 200 countries, pwede po tayong magpadala. Right? In fact, dito ko lang sa LiveGood, may country pa lang Isle of Man. Imagine, hindi na natin alam na meron palang bansang gano'n, pero tayo kaya natin mag-deliver doon. So, as a member, you get paid up to 80% compared to other products in other companies. Yes po, nakita niyo naman yung price comparison. Hindi natin tinatago yan at malakas yung loob nating ipakita yan kasi alam natin na yung ating products definitely or ating prices definitely mas mababa sa kanila. Pero yung quality ng products natin mas mataas pa dun sa ino-offer nilang mahal. Alright, so how do you become a member? Kasi nga gusto mong makasave. $1 saved is $1 earned. You want to save more so that you'll be you can actually, the more you save, the more you earn, right? So save more, become a member. How do you become a member? You go back to the sponsor, to the one who invited you here, ask for their sponsor's link. Kung kayo mag-register with your name and email, and then doon na rin po kayo, may payment system po tayo online then. You pay $9.95 to become a member, that's for 1 month, or you can pay $99.95 to cover you for 1 year. Nakatipid kayo ng 2 buwan. Actually, kung kaya rin lang po, bayaran nyo na po yung 1 taon para may additional savings pa kayo. Di ba? And as a member, you get to buy products at wholesale price, yung tinatawag naming members price. Alright? Now, baka sabihin mo, Emon, puro naman discount yung diniscuss mo, pero kanina, when you were starting, sabi mo, makakatupad ng mga pangarap mo. Paano naman makakatupad ng pangarap yung $5 na savings. Kasi po, hindi pa ako tapos. Nang diniscuss ko lang po is the members. To be able to do the business here in Livgood, you have to become an affiliate. Dito nga po ang tanungan would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Huwag nyo kalimutan yung or more saka per month. Kasi talagang mas mataas yung pwede yung kitain dito if you do the business and nang tuloy-tuloy and it's going to be repeating. Monthly nyo na po siyang tatanggapin. Alright, very lucrative po ang ating compensation plan. So how do you do that? As I mentioned kanina, you become an affiliate member. So how do I become an affiliate member? Kung yung member po nagbabayad ng $9.95 monthly or $99.95, dadagdagan lang po natin ng one-time fee of $40. We call that the affiliate fee. One time lang po yan. Once you pay that, you become an affiliate member for life. Hindi nyo na po ulitin bayaran yan, not next month, not next year. One time lang po yan. Since one time lang yan, so yung first time you join as an affiliate member, you pay for the $40 plus the $9.95 1 month subscription, a total of $49.95. Sounds familiar? Wala pa po 3,000, meron na kayong global business. Or kung kaya nyo rin lang, actually, ang recommendation namin dito is to go for the 1-year subscription. Kasi if you go for the 1-year subscription, makakatipid kayo ng 2 buwan. Kasi ang babayaran mo lang $99.95, equivalent to 12 months. So plus $40, $139.95 lang po. One time lang yung $40, so the following year, babayaran mo na lang $99.95. Alright? Clear po tayo dyan ha. $40 is just one time. Hindi nyo na po uulit bayaran yan. And you'll be an affiliate member forever. Alright. And as an affiliate member, since nagbayad ka ng membership club mo, you get to become a member. And you get to have access to the membership club. You get to enjoy the benefits of perks that we're offering, the value that we're offering to our members. Right? And since nag-affiliate member ka nga, nagbayad ka ng affiliate fee mo, Livgood knows that you would be referring people to the business. Kaya i-equip ka niya with digital marketing products. And when you do the business, you get to participate in the compensation plan. And how do you get paid? You get paid via direct deposit, iPayout, or kung familiar kayo sa cryptocurrency, BitPay. By the way, we're not crypto trading. We're not a cryptocurrency company, but we use cryptocurrency as mode of payment. Payment and to receive payout as well. Okay? Clear po tayo dyan ha? Anyway, yan po. Since nag-affiliate member ka na, you get to do the business. By the way, just to give you an idea, ano ba ginagawa ng affiliate member? Simple lang po, kasi si Livgood po, hindi po nag-a-advertise yan. Ang means of advertisement nila is word of mouth. And ang pinaka mag-a-advertise sa kanila, si affiliate member. Advertise, parang mahirap yata gawin yan. Pag-uwin ko po yung term ko. Ang gagawin nyo lang po, magkikwento. Magkikwento kayo. Pag ginamit nyo yung product, gumanda yung health nyo, ikwento nyo sa kaibigan nyo, sa kaklase nyo, sa ka-workmate nyo, ka-churchmate nyo. Ikikwento nyo lang po at pag sila nagustuhan nila yung kwento mo at sumali sa'yo to become a member or an affiliate member, then you get to be compensated. Kwento-kwento lang po to. Kaya yung mga marites dyan, bagay na bagay sa inyo tong negosyo. So, since you'll be equipped, pakita ko lang yung digital marketing products na marireceive natin. Unang-una, we would have our business page or the livgood.com/username. That would be your business page. Diyan nyo po makikita lahat ng updates natin about the products, about the compensation plan, about the company. Nandiyan din po yung mga different webinars na available for you. Ito po yung pinaka gagamitin natin para mas lalo tayong ma-equip in doing the affiliate marketing program. Alright? Diyan din po natin makikita lahat ng mga, di ba sabi ko magre-refer tayo ng tao dito. Lahat ng mare-refer mong tao, diyan mo makikita. Yung na-refer mong tao, they did the business, lahat ng ma-refer nila, dyan mo makikita. Lahat ng marerefer nung na-refer nila, dyan mo makikita. Bakit importante yan? Kasi dito po sa LiveGood, hindi ka babayaran dun sa effort mo lang, pati dun sa effort ng mga taong nasa organization mo, babayaran ka pa rin. Ang tawag po dyan, leveraging. And that's the secret of the rich people. Alright? And by the way, dyan din natin makikita yung earnings natin. Don't worry, this is username and password protected. Ikaw lang po makakakita ng iyong earnings provided na hindi mo ibibigay kahit kanino yung username password mo. Alright? At make sure na hindi mo kakalimutan yung username password mo para hindi rin matigil yung pag-access mo rito. Alright. Ano pa? Meron din tayong tinatawag na landing page or the livegoodtour.com/your username. By the way, itong mga website na to, personalized po sa inyo yan ha. Nakalagay dyan, welcome to Mon Reyes website. Or website of Mon Reyes. So, ganun po. Kung ano yung pangalan nyo, lalabas po dyan. So, kung sino yung pagbibigyan nyo, alam na sa inyo sila nakikipag-transact. By the way, ano tong livegoodtour.com/your username? Yan po yung landing page natin. Dyan po sila nagre-register. Yan yung sinasabi ko kaninang sponsors link. Diyan sila magre-register with their name and email at dyan po pwede na rin silang tumuloy-tuloy dun sa payment system natin. Yan po yung binibigay natin dun sa mga gusto nating masama dito as affiliate members din, yung mga gagawa din ng business. At ang maganda po niyan, ang bubungad sa kanila is a video of our CEO himself explaining what LiveGood is, the benefits you'll get from being a member of LiveGood and why you need to become a member of LiveGood. Napakaganda po yan. Alright? So, yan. And we also have our shoplivegood.com/your username. Online shop po yan. Parang Shopee or Lazada. Pero personalized sa inyo. At yung mga products na makikita dyan, our LiveGood products. Okay? Para sa naman po yan. Then po yung mga gusto lang yung product pero ayaw mag-member. Kasi makikita nila dyan mga retail prices. Ang maganda niyan, pag yung link na yan, binigay mo dun sa friend mo and yung friend mo umorder dyan. Ito maganda ha. Pag order niya dyan siya magbabayad. Si LiveGood ang tatanggap ng bayad. Una, si LiveGood ang tatanggap ng order. Si LiveGood ang tatanggap ng bayad. Si LiveGood ang magpapack ng mga products niya. Si LiveGood ang mag-ship. Hihintayin na lang niya dumating sa kanya yung products niya. Ikaw naman, since sa LiveGood, sa shop mo bumili, hihintayin mo na lang yung commission dumating sa iyo. Okay? Kasi dito po, we're not required to sell products, but if you sell, meron pa rin po kayong compensation. Alright? Originally, yan, 3 website lang available, pero nadagdagan na po ng 2 products yan. Product site, or we have the Super Reds and the Super Greens. And more are coming. Ang maganda po niyan, despite na nagdadagdag sila ng ibang mga marketing products, hindi na po nanghihingi ng additional fees. So yung $40 talagang one time lang po yan and hindi na mauulit. Alright? Now, we're going to talk about the compensation plan. Kung paano kumita dito sa LiveGood. Kung paano matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. Are you ready? Sige nga, type I'm ready sa ating chat. So nakita nyo, ang ganda talaga ng LiveGood. Kasi si LiveGood po is not only after for us to become healthy, it's also after for us to become successful in our finances. Yes, ang daming I'm ready. So since you're ready, thank you. Thank you po sa lahat ng nag-response. Thank you for your participation. So let's proceed. Paano ba kumita dito? To be able to understand our compensation plan, unang-una, kailangan yung tandaan itong 2 structure na to. Unang-una yung uni-level, yung nakikita nyo sa inyong kaliwa. That's the uni-level structure. Paano po ba yan? Lahat ng mai-invite mo rito, mapupunta sa level 1 mo, babayaran ka ni LiveGood. Pag meron ka na-invite na affiliate man o member lang, may bayad, may compensation ka. Okay? Now, if you're able to invite an affiliate member, nasa level 1 mo yan, and they decide to to do the business at sila mismo nag-refer ng tao dito, mapupunta yan sa level 2. Babayaran sila ni LiveGood, babayaran ka rin ni LiveGood. Alright? Ngayon kung yung na-refer nila, decided to refer, babayaran yung nag-refer sa kanila, babayaran yung susunod at babayaran ka pa rin. Why? Dito nga kasi babayaran ka not only on your effort but from the effort also of your people. You can actually leverage. And ang maganda niyan, unlimited yung pwede mong ma-invite dito. Unlimited yung pwede mong ma-direct dito. Alright? Tandaan niyo po yan, uni-levels. Simple lang po yan. Lahat ng nadala nyo, level 1. Lahat ng nadala nila, level 2. Lahat ng nadala nila, level 3. All the way up to level 10 kasi you'll be compensated up to level 10, which is napakaganda. Grabe. Hindi mo nakilala, kumikita ka pa. Diba? Hindi mo na tinrabaho, may kita ka pa. Alright? Mamaya, didiscuss ko yan. Anyway, yung second structure that you have to remember is our powerful matrix structure. Ano naman yung matrix? Yung matrix po niyan, kasi once you become an affiliate member, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong matrix. And we all belong to a bigger matrix. Meaning may mga tao pa sa taas natin. And pag napuno nagkaroon na ng tao yung mga matrix natin, we would start earning our income from this matrix structure. Paano ba yung matrix? Si matrix po, ang tatandaan nyo lang dyan, sa bawat isang tao, 2 lang yung pwedeng makapit. Pero teka mo, sabi mo, unlimited yung pwede ko ma-invite dito. Paano na kung sobra sa 2 yung na-invite ko? Ganito po yan. Since 2 lang yung pwedeng makabit sa'yo, 2 lang yung level 1 mo. Paano na yung 8 kung 10 yung na-invite ko? Yung 8 po, ikakabit na yan sa ilalim ng mga na-invite mo. Meaning, dun sa 2 na-invite mo, kakabitan sila yung tagalawa. Tapos yung susunod sa kanila, yung next level, kakabitan na naman nung kung ilan pa yung na-invite mo. Alright? And since may mga tao sa taas mo, posible rin na magkaroon ka ng spillover from them. Right? Ang maganda niyan, whether galing sa iyo, galing din sa mga taong na-invite mo, or galing dun sa mga taong nasa taas mo, so long as there are people falling inside your matrix, you will be compensated. All the way up to level 15. So level 1 mo, 2. Level 2, 4. Level 3, 8. And then 16, 30, 64, 128. Power of 2 lang po. All the way up to level 15 because you get to be compensated up to level 15. Right? Tandaan niyo po yan, 2 structure na yan. Why are they important? Kaya yan po yung gagamitin to compute for our compensation. Because here in LiveGood, we have 8 ways to earn. First, we have the weekly fast start and the retail commission. Ang ginagamit po dyan is the uni-level structure. We also have the matrix commission. Ang ginagamit naman dyan is the matrix structure. Kung mapapansin nyo, merong matching bonus sa gitna nila kasi hybrid yan. Pinagsasama yung uni-level tsaka yung matrix to be able to compute how much would your matching bonuses be. Tandaan nyo po, mamaya pag diniscuss ko yan, makinig kayo maigi. Kasi yung matching bonus, yan yung makakapagpatupad ng pangarap nyo. We also have influencer bonuses, customer acquisition bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and Crown Diamond bonus pool na i-discuss ko. Actually, for tonight, I'll be discussing this 5. Okay? Kasi nga dito sa atin, hindi naman tayo required magbenta. But, kung makabenta ka, meron ka pa rin commission. And yung commission na yon, andyan yung sa retail commission, yung customer acquisition bonus, tsaka influencer bonuses. If you want to know more about that, pwede nyo pong tanungin yung taong nag-invite sa inyo and definitely masasagot niya kayo. Okay? But for tonight, dito tayo mag-focus sa 5 to. Bakit? Kasi po, iyaan yung talagang makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap nyo. Alright. So let's start with our what we call the quick money or the fast start bonus. Bakit quick money? Unang-una, napakadali niyang ma-earn. Pangalawa, napakabilis niyang matanggap. Alright? Sabi dito, the fast start bonus is a one-time $25 bonus from all new directs that join you and paid $49.95. Remember, when you become an affiliate, nagbayad ka ng $49.95. And then you started making kwento. Sinismis mo ngayon si LiveGood sa mga kaibigan mo, kamag-anak mo. And should they decide to become an affiliate member just like you, they would also pay $49.95. Now, ang compensation mo sa lahat ng direct mo rito, meron kang $25 for a person na mag-join sa'yo and will pay $49.95. So that means, pag meron kang dalawang naipasok dito, each of them paid $49.95, meron kang 25 plus 25, $50. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, dalawa lang yung madala mo rito, nabawi mo na yung una mong nilabas na $49.95. O diba? Ang ganda? Grabe. And kailan mo matatanggap yan? Okay, let's say for example, it's already a Wednesday, ang cut-off natin every Thursday. So lahat ng napasok mo for this week, bilangin yan mag-cut-off Thursday. And then, titingnan ko kung ilan $25 yung matanggap mo. Kailan mo marireceive yan? Let's say for example, in this example, 4 yung napasok niya. Binilang ng system. 4 ang bagong pumasok kay Mon ngayon. Okay, next, may matatanggap siyang $100. Ganun po kabilis. You don't have to wait for next month or every 20th of the month or every 10th of the month. Ito po, pag may pumasok sa iyo sa Fast Start bonus, next week matatanggap mo na. Okay, so in this example, $100 kasi 4 yung napasok niya. Eh paano kung weekly nagpapasok ka ng 4 na tao? May $100 ka weekly. Okay, even if monthly monthly ka magpasok ng 4 na tao, $100 monthly. 'Di ba? Ang ganda niya. Alright? And sabi ko nga dito kanina, hindi ka lang babayaran doon sa effort mo. Kasi yan, effort mo pa yan. Ikaw pa yung nagmamarites yan or nagkikwento niyan doon sa mga friends mo. Mga kilala mo pa yan. What if they decide to do the business? Diba? Kasi dito, when they decide to do the business at sila mismo nag-refer ng tao dito, as you rank up, you go lower or you go deeper on the levels. Okay, let's say for example, pag nag-bronze ka, you get to enjoy up to level 2. Paano ba maging bronze? Simple lang po. Magpasok kayo ng 2 tao. Once you're able to bring in 2 members, bronze ka na. Okay? Paano naman maging silver? Magdagdag ka pa ng magdagdag ng mga tao maipapasok mo rito. And teach them how to do the business. Tell them, magdala rin sila kahit 2 tao lang para mabawi nila yung kanilang $49.95. Okay, why is it important to be promoted? Unang-una, binabayaran ka for every person na ma-recruit mo rito, di ba? Mabayaran ka ng $25. Ang maganda niyan, pag nag-bronze ka, you get to enjoy up to level 2. Pag na-promote ka to silver, you get to enjoy levels 3 and 4. Pag nag-gold ka, levels 5 and 6. Pag nag-platinum ka, levels 7 and 8. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to levels 9 and 10. Alright? So, hindi mo nakilala yan. Yet, meron ka pa rin natatanggap na compensation. Bakit? Kasi ikaw ang dahilan kaya nila nakilala yung Live Good. Alright? Di ba napakaganda? Di ba? Anyway, moving forward. So, that's our Fast Start bonus. Remember, unlimited yung pwede mong madirect dito. Alright? Meaning, unlimited din yung pwede mong maging organization dito. Meaning, unlimited din yung pwede mong ma-leverage dito. Kaya dito, talagang ang labanan, padamihan ng direct. Mag-share ka ng mag-share ng level to as many as you can. Una-una, mabibless mo sila eh. Diba? Kung ang Live Good, mababago buhay mo, then definitely mababago rin ang buhay nila. So, moving forward, meron naman tayong tinatawag na retirement money or the matrix commission. And I'm telling you, eto po, ano lang to, add boost lang po to. Okay, remember yung break structure natin. Sabi ko kanina, pag nagdala ka rito, definitely mapupunta sa matrix mo. Kung yung mga taong nasa taas mo, continuously do the business, mapupunta sa matrix mo. Possible na mapunta sa matrix mo. Kung yung mga tao na dala mo rito, they decide to do the business, mapupunta sa matrix mo yung mga taong madadala nila. Alright? Now, whether coming sa'yo, so long as there are people in your matrix, you get to receive matrix commission. Galing man sa iyan, galing sa taong nasa taas mo, or galing sa mga taong nadala mo dito. Babayaran ka ni Live Good ng 25 cents for each active member that pays their monthly membership of $9.95. Alright? each active member who pays $9.95. And I'm telling you, when people start doing the subscription, tuloy-tuloy na po yung pagbabayad nila ng $9.95. Kailan natin matatanggap to? Monthly po nating matatanggap yan. Alright? Baka sabihin mo, ang late naman, 25 cents. Pero look at this. Ganito kasi yung magiging matrix mo. Di ba sabi ko yung level kanina? Una 2, then 4, 8, 16, 32, 64. Pag may pumasok na dalawa sa matrix mo, babayaran ka 50 cents, 25 each. Pag 4, $1 na yan. Pag 8, $2 na. Imagine, pag may 40 people na in your matrix, you receive $10. Magkano yung subscription? $9.95. Meaning, yung pang-subscription mo, kinukuha mo na lang dun sa matrix income mo. Di ba? Sa kita mo na yung pinambabayad mo dun sa subscription mo. And as your matrix go deeper, or mas maraming napupunta dun sa natao dun sa matrix mo, the more you'll be compensated. At ang maganda nito, let's say for example, you're unranked. Meaning, di ba nga, mag-bronze ka, makapasok ka lang ng dalawa. Let's say, hindi ka talaga nakapag-invite ng tao, wala ka na i-direct dito. So, you become unranked. You stayed unranked. Okay? Ang maganda nito, kahit unranked ka, ibigyan ka pa rin ng pampalumbag loob. Yung matrix bonus natin. Kasi babayaran ka dito up to 12 levels deep. So let's say you stayed as a member, let's say for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and finally napuno yung matrix mo, umabot ka up to level 12. That's a total of 8,190 people in your matrix times 25 cents. That's $2,047.50 in your matrix bonus. Monthly mo nang marireceive yan. Kasi monthly naman nagbabayad yung mga taong yan ng $9.95 nila. So diba ang ganda? Hindi ka na nakapag-refer, pero meron ka pa rin pampalubag loob. Pero don't stay unranked. I want you to be promoted to the higher rank. Bakit? Kasi mag-bronze ka lang, madodobli ang matrix income mo eh. Because bronze and silver get to enjoy up to level 13. Ang matrix income nila, pag napuno yung matrix nila, $4,095.50. Tapos yung gold and platinum up to level 14, that's $8,191.50. Diba? Anong mas gusto mo? Yung 2,000 o yung 8,000? Siyempre yung 8,000. So be promoted up to platinum. Pero wag ka pa rin magstay ng platinum kasi when you become diamond, you get to enjoy up to level 15. Pag napuno yung matrix mo, that's $16,383.50. That's more than 900,000 pesos. 1 million na nga po yan kasi mataas ang dollar ngayon eh. 1 million peso monthly income from your matrix bonus alone. Simply because you got to rank up all the way up to diamond. So mamili ka, ano gusto mo, 2,000 o 16,000? Ako 16,000, kaya nga I'm working and I'm not stopping until I reach the diamond rank. In fact, until I reach the crown diamond rank. Alright? So yun yung matrix bonus natin. Kasi sinabi ko nga kanina, this is just an extra bonus. Alright? Kasi yung talagang bulk ng kita natin, manggagaling dito sa susunod, which is our wealthy money. Okay, if you think na yung ating fast start bonus tsaka yung ating matrix commission is malalaki na, mas malaki po itong wealthy money. Ano naman yan? Yung matching bonus natin. Sabi dito, the matching bonus is the monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Diba tayo, naging affiliate member, nagkaroon tayo ng matrix, therefore, nung nagkaroon ng tao yung matrix natin, nagkaroon tayo ng matrix commission. Same thing will happen dun sa mga taong madadala natin as affiliate member who would do the business as well. They would have people in their matrix, they would have matrix commission as well. Ang maganda niyan, kung magkano yung matrix commission nila, meron kang 50% na matching bonus. They would receive their matrix commission ng buo, pero since ikaw yung nag-introduce sa kanila ng Live Good will compensate you 50% of whatever they receive. Okay? So let's say for example, This is you. Tuwan-tuwa ka sa narinig mo, kaya ginawa mo, kinwento mo sa lahat ng kilala mo. And you were able to make 10 directs. Ngayon, yung 10 directs na yan also decided to do the business. And then, eventually, nagkaroon sila ng matrix income. Ito, bababaan ko lang yung example ka. Let's say, for example, $10 each. Meron silang matrix income na tagte $10. Mababa po yan kasi umaabot nga ng 16,000 yung matrix income natin, di ba? So $10 each, may 50% ka, that's $5 each. 10 sila. May $50 kang matching bonus. Since mababa yan, posibleng maging $100 each yan. Magkano yung 50% nun? $50, 10 sila, that's $500 for you. Posibleng maging $1,000 each yan. That's $500 each matching bonus for you. 10 sila. That's $5,000 for you. 10 lang yan. Sabi ko nga, unlimited yung pwede mong madirect dito. Paano kung 20 yan? Diba? That's $10,000 monthly matching bonus for you. It doesn't stop there because the more people you bring in, the higher ranks you would be. And when you get promoted, you get to enjoy generation bonus. Ano yan generation bonus na yan? Kung ikaw may matching ka na 50% dun sa mga direct mo, when you reach silver, magkakaroon ka ng generation bonus. Meaning, may matching ka pa rin dun sa mga tao na dala nila in their whole organization. Alright? Pag silver ka, you get to enjoy up to second generation, 10% each. Pag gold ka, up to third generation, 5% each. Pag platinum ka, up to fifth generation, 5%. Pag diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to fifth generation, 3%. All the way up to fifth generation. When I talk about generation, I'm talking about their whole organization. Diba? Hindi lang yung direct mo. Pati yung mga directs nila. Pati yung mga directs nila. Pwede kang magkaroon ng matching doon. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, itong matching bonus, ito yung makakapagpatupad ng mga pangarap mo. Excuse me. Now, moving forward, ito isa sa pinakamasarap na income dito sa Live Good. Yung tinatawag namin piece of the pie money or the diamond bonus pool. Kaya dito recommendation namin talagang don't stop until you reach diamond. Why? Because when you become diamond, posibleng para ka ng shareholder ng company. Because what the company will do, total niya lahat ng sales niya, membership, affiliate fees, product sales, ito total niya yan. Tapos kukurot ng 2%. Tapos yung 2% magdi-divide lahat ng mga diamonds for that pay period. Alright? So let's say for example, the total sales of the company is 15 million. Teka, pwede ba yun? 15 million in 1 month? Yes! Bakit? Imagine, 1.3 million na tayo ngayon, each paying $10. That's already 13 million. Sa subscription pa lang yan. And we're averaging like 100,000 new affiliates every month. Paying $40, that's 4 million additional. Nasa 17 million na tayo, wala pa yung product sales. And malaki, every month nabe-break natin yung record ng product sales natin. Kaya pataas lang po ng pataas yan. But let's stick with 15 million for example purpose. 15 million 2% is 300,000. Let's say for example 60 yung mga diamonds na naghati-hati dyan. Each of them will receive $5,000. And that will happen monthly. Kasi hindi naman papayag yung company na hindi sila kumita for 1 month. So monthly may kita yung company, monthly may share ka kung diamond ka na. O diba, sarap maging diamond, right? But don't stop from being a diamond. Become a crown diamond and you get to enjoy rich and famous money or the crown diamond bonus pool. Ano naman yan? Si crown diamond kasi may share na sila doon sa diamond bonus pool. May additional pang 0.5% of the total sales of the company for the month. Again, dun sa example natin, 15 million. 0.5% is $75,000. And I'm telling you right now, dadalawa pa lang po yung crown diamond natin. Isa si Tim Miller from the USA at yung second crown diamond is none other than our coach Fernan Santiago. Right? Dalawa lang po silang naghati. So let's say for example, the crown diamond bonus pool is 75,000 divided by 2. Each of them received $37,500 for 1 month income. That's on top of their matrix bonus. That's on top of their matching bonus, on top of the fast start commission, on top of everything that they have received. Right? Additional na lang po yan. Kaya bakit kayo papayag na hindi kayo magka-crown diamond if as a crown diamond meron kang share sa company? Bukod sa may share ka na dun sa diamond bonus pool, meron ka pang sariling 0.5% na paghahati-hatian nyo. Di ba? I'll give you something even better news. Kasi yung lahat ng diamond at lahat ng crown diamond started as an affiliate member just like you and me. Meaning kung ano yung opportunity na meron sila, ganun din yung opportunity na meron tayo. If they made it to becoming crown diamond and diamonds, we can also do it. Gawin lang natin yung ginawa nila at huwag natin tigilan hanggat hindi tayo umaabot ng pagiging crown diamond. Alright? Sige nga, pasabi nga, magiging crown diamond ako. Pa-chat nga po kung gusto niyo talaga maging crown diamond. Let's see. Sino yung mga gusto maging crown diamond? I'll be a crown diamond. Sige, let's see. Ayan, me. Pinky Surgeon is me. Roman is saying me. Yes, me, Coach Ami. Thank you. I'm expecting you all to become crown diamonds. Yes, tuloy-tuloy tayo. Ang dami. Wow. Hindi ko na isa-isa. Thank you. Thank you for responding. And I'm telling you, we have an equal opportunity right now. If they had the opportunity to become one, you have the same opportunity. O, di ba ang ganda? Grabe. So, let's sum up my discussion for the whole night. Benefits of Live Good. Business for only $49.95. 3,000 pesos, you have a global business. No starter pack. Kailangan lang natin, again, 3,000 pesos. Diba? No mandatory purchase. Ngayon, hindi ka na mapupuno. Hindi na mapupuno yung kwarto mo ng produktong mag-expire na. Weekly and monthly payout. And not only active income, passive income na rin from 8 sources. Diba? Importante yung passive income kasi darating yung time na talagang you would rely solely on the passive income. Darating yung point that you would have minimal or no participation in the business at all. But since we are receiving passive income, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung income natin. Right? Actually, yung diamond bonus pool at crown diamond bonus pool, passive income na yan. Kasi kita na ng company yan Binibigyan ka na lang ng share. Organic products, high quality products, specialty products at the lowest prices. Diba? Members price, $9.95. Wala pong 620 pesos a day. Covered na yung subscription mo for 1 month. And you have a business, global business, operating in over 200 countries worldwide. Right? So, saan ka dadali ng 3,000 mo or where will your $49.95 take you? When you join Live Good now, di ba? For only $49.95 or 3,000 pesos, ito yung posibleng mangyari sa'yo. Kasi ito yung ituturo sa'yo na strategy. Okay? Hindi enough yung knowledge, hindi enough yung attitude. Dapat may strategy ka rin sinusunod dito. And this is what we teach, the power of 5. Okay, what does that mean? Lahat ng tao kukuha ng tagli-5 tao na mag-join din as an affiliate member. Alright? So let's say for example, ikaw yan. Diba lahat ng tao kukuha ng 5 tao. So ikaw kumuha ka ng 5 tao. Anong gagawin mo sa 5 kinuha mo? Ituturuan mong kumuha rin ng 5 tao. So kumuha ka ng 5 tao. Fast start muna tayo. Fast start commission. You get $125 kasi $25 each. Tapos yung 5, tinuruan mong kumuha ng tag-5, nagdagdagan ng another 25 dun sa team mo. Meron ka na, up to level 2 ka na, $5 each, $125 na naman. Diba? Pag nag-level 3 yan, 125, dire-diretso lang yan. May $312.50 ka. Level 4, another $625 added in your team. May $1,562.50 ka. And I'm just talking about the fast start commission. Okay, level 6, 4,687.50. Level 6, you get $15,625 as start commission. Let's say, for example, this happens weekly, meaning on your first week, kumuha ka ng 5. And then tinuruan mo agad yung 5 kin mo to get their own 5. Kumuha rin sila ng 5. Second week. Third week, yung 25 kumuha ng 5. And then weekly, na-duplicate ka. Weekly nangyayari to. Lahat ng pumasok, kumukuha on their first week ng tagli 5. On 6th week, ito yung total na kinita mo from fast start commission alone. 22,437.50. That's 1.3 million pesos. All in a period of 6 weeks. Kahit sabihin mong monthly yan eh. 6 months, 1.3 million para kang kumita ng 1,000 fee. Kahit isang taon yan eh. 1.3 million in 1 year. Para kang kumita ng 100,000 a month. Diba? And all of that because you brought 5. 5 people lang ang dinala mo dyan. Kasi yung iba sila na nagdala ng taglilima nila. Ito, kung talagang lahat talaga magiging committed to bring their 5. Okay? And your total organization will be 19,505. Okay? So, tuloy natin kasi diamond ka na, di ba? And sa fast start mo, you get to enjoy up to level 10. Level 7 mo, yan na yung nadagdag. Level 8, level 9, level 10. Imagine, kung nangyari yan monthly, nangyari yan weekly, tama. Magugulat ka dun sa potential income na patatanggap mo from your fast start commission alone. Okay? And since you already have 19,505 members in your organization, ito na yung matrix income mo. 19,000 times 25 cents, 4,876.25 or 285,000 pesos. And monthly mo nang kikitain yan. Bakit? Kasi monthly naman magbabayad ng 995 yan eh. Diba? And yung matrix galing dun sa 995 na subscription eh. Hindi pa tapos kasi may matching bonus pa tayo. So yung generation 1 mo, yung direct, that's, eto dito sa example na to, binabaan ko lang talaga yung matrix income para pakita ko sa inyo yung realistic amount. Okay, so let's say for example, 200 pa lang yung matrix income nila, may 50% ka. 5 sila, you get $500. Sa generation 2, let's say for example, 150 na lang yung kanilang mga matrix income, may $375 ka pa rin. Sa matrix, sa generation 3, $100 na lang yung matrix income nila for example. May 625 ka pa rin. Matrix, sa generation 4, $50 na lang, kunyari. May 1,500 ka pa rin. Generation 5, $25 na lang Kinumpute ko at $25 matrix income. Matching ka, merong $2,343.75. Yung total matching mo, umabot ng 5,406 or 316,000 pesos. Monthly na po yan. Kasi kinukuha yan dun sa 995 subscription. Alright? So again, sinang 49.95 mo. If this happens in 6 months or 6 weeks, depende sa bilis mo eh. It can happen in 6 months, it can happen in 6 years, 6 weeks, 6 months, even a year. Pero ito yung kinita mo. May fast start kang 1.3 million, may matrix kang 285, may matching kang 316, and since diamond ka na, may bonus pool ka na. Let's say for example, 140,000 yung diamond bonus pool mo. Ang total na kinita mo, 2,043,000 in 6 months. Kahit 1 year. Diba? At ang maganda nito, yung matrix, matching, at diamond bonus pool, monthly mo na matatanggap yan. That's 700,000 monthly income for you. Right? And since diamond ka na, you get to enjoy fast start bonus up to 10 levels deep. Meaning, may mga papasok pa sa yung weekly income from your fast start bonuses. Grabe. Yan yung future mo. Diyan ka dadalhin ng 3,000 mo. Kaya you put your 3,000 to live good. Do the business. Do it with passion. Talagang share to people and this is what will happen to you. Okay? And I'll give you more reasons to join. Unang-una, we just officially launched. Nasa pillar stage pa lang po tayo. At alam mo, sinabi nila, to a starting company, whoever believes first gets the most benefit. Yes, kasi sabay kang lalaki with the company. Kung lumalaki, habang lumalaki yung company, lumalaki din yung business mo. Diba? Highest quality product at the most affordable prices in the market. Wala na po kayo makikitang mas mababa pang presyo dun sa quality na offer natin. Alright? In fact, yung iba, pangit yung quality pero mas mataas pa yung presyo sa atin. Wow, grabe talaga pag nasa Live Good ka. Sabi ni Dream Achievers, Jonel. Yes, grabe talaga. Grabe talaga. Di ba? And then, marketing system tools and training. Ito po, one of the tools you can actually use. Alam naman namin na pag nag-start ka dito, hindi mo pa kaya itong presentation. But we highly recommend you learn this. Kaya ini-encourage namin manood kayo ng presentation from different speakers para makakuha kayo ng different pointers so that you yourself will be able to do the presentation. Pero when you're new, invite lang kayo, dalhin nyo rito sa Zoom. Kami magpe-present, kami magko-close. Kanino yung account sa'yo. Ang ganda. As marami tayong trainings dyan. In 1 week, halos araw-araw may training tayo. International as well as local. You just have to look for the schedule and make sure na talagang mag-plug in ka. Attend all trainings. And dun mag-grow yung business nyo kasi dun mag-grow yung confidence nyo sa company, sa products, sa compensation. Simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan. Nakita nyo naman kung saan dadalhin yung 3,000 nyo. No question about it. And as I call it, the most generous pay plan. Kasi binibigay eh. And I've seen people receive talagang such income. And more importantly, you get to be surrounded with successful, fun, and winning team. You would have your own team. You would have a second family here in Live Good. Right? Now, we just started. We haven't even scratched the surface. Kumbaga sa iceberg, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang tayo. Kaya 1.3 million paid members, wag po kayo mamangha dyan. Kasi ang projection ni Ben Linsky, our CEO, we would have around 3 to 5 million paid members by the end of 2024. And I'm sure him being a visionary, talagang maaabot yan. And in the next 3 to 5 years, aabot po tayo ng 10 million paying members. Kaya nga dito yung vision niya, yung diamond bonus pool, no matter how many diamonds there are, wala pong bababa ng $10,000 yung kanilang diamond bonus pool. Right? Kasi yung 200 million members, definitely marireach natin yan eh. Kasi nga yung mga companies na hindi nagbabayad sa mga members nila, naabot yun eh. Definitely maabot natin yan. And nasan ka pag dumating yun? Nasan ka na? Kung nasa ibabaw ka, all those 200 million members will just go under you. Correct? And soon we'll be the Amazon of the network marketing industry. Kaya nga dito, if you want something different in your life, let's get started today. Kasi Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. At ang dami na pong buhay na nabago dito. In fact, I'm going to show you in my next slide some of the affiliates na talagang with the business, with passion, with consistency. At ito na nangyari sa buhay nila. Kayo na lang po ang manood and be inspired.
Once a day that I would pray for you, I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so.
Now, if you're an OFW, usually ang pagbati sa'yo pag dumarating ka, welcome back. Kasi naisip nila, alis ka na naman, di ba? What if finally, ang pagbati sa'yo, welcome home? Kasi alam nila that you're home for good. Here's for OFW, for former OFW. Ginawa ang Live Good nung nasa abroad pa sila. Kumita ng mas malaki kaysa sa sweldong binibigay ng mga amo nila. They resigned, went home, and now they're home for good. Kaya ang pagbati sa kanila, welcome home. Ngayon, kasama na nila, family nila, mas maganda kita nila at tuloy-tuloy nilang ginagawa si Live Good. Bakit? Kasi gusto naman nilang makatulong sa ibang OFW na katulad nila. So kung OFW ka ngayon at gusto mo nang maging home for good, ito na yung pagkakataon mo, ito na yung opportunity mo, nakalatag na sa'yo. All you need to do is do Live Good and change your life for the better. So if you're not an affiliate member yet, get back to the person who told you of Live Good and reserve your position. Pre-register now. Habang gumagawa ka pa lang ng decision. Kasi decision mo rito, you can be an affiliate member. And that's the best decision you'll make here in Live Good. Kaya yung mga gusto mag-affiliate member dyan, lagay nyo sa chat, I'm an A. Okay? Pwede ka rin naman maging B. You become a member. Enjoy the discount. Or enjoy the member's price. Enjoy the savings. Yes, Roman. Yes, definitely A, Jonel. Alright? Or pwede ka rin C. You want the products, you don't want to become a member, become a retail customer. Ingin nyo yung shop link ng mga nagpakilala sa inyo ng Live Good. Doon ka na umorder. Alright? But if you choose to become an A na talagang nire-recommenda namin kasi ito talaga yung makakapagpabago ng buhay mo, this is an opportunity that can possibly knock just once. Kakaiba po ito compared sa iba na companies na nakita dyan, na meron dyan. Live Good is different. Live Good, whatever Live Good promises, the potential income na pinakita ko sa inyo, posibleng makuha nyo yan if you do Live Good ng tuloy-tuloy at seryoso. So if you choose to become an affiliate member tulad ng mga nag-yes A, mga definitely A, lahat ng nag-A dito sa chat box, congratulations. Kasi you can now start your journey to financial freedom and time freedom. Be a Live Good affiliate today. Alright, so thank you very much. It has been my pleasure to deliver to you this business presentation. Again, Simon Reyes po to.